We are drawing a horseshoe crab today. It is Friday, April 18th at 5:40 in the morning. We are starting off with the shell, and I decided to go at this freehand. For better or for worse, it came out pretty good. I didn't have anything big enough to make the shape I wanted to make, and it turned out good. So I was deciding on how happy to make it, and I decided pretty happy. They are odd looking little things. Their shells are perfect, for defense. They are related to scorpions and spiders more closely than to crabs, which I found interesting. I did not know. So this has been a great learning experience in researching critters for my coloring book. And the curve was a little bit difficult, but I thought the legs were going to be hard, but I really enjoyed doing the legs. The segmentation and the little pinchers, that turned out really well. You'll see it here in a second once I start inking a little better. I'm getting better at doing more inking without penciling, but that's still going to be a long way away. I may do that as a live, just to see if I can do it. So here it looks like kind of like a Darth Vader helmet at the beginning. I just noticed that, but it's still cool. The tail's supposed to be a lot longer, but I ran out of room before I started putting waves and stuff in, and I'd already inked it in before I realized it, but it still gets the impression across. Everything's a little bit overdone, just for the coloring book vibe, and I did enough waves, I think, to let you know it's under the water. And again, I went with a night scene. I don't know why I like the night in these ocean drawings. I do like putting stones on the bottom and some seaweed. So it's been a lot of practice. If you've been watching my videos, you are following along with my practicing. I'm not doing any other drawings besides these. I don't have time. So I appreciate you joining in. Like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and we'll go from there. So here is my final drawing, and have a great Friday.